Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Reddit's Q3 24 earnings report, and I've got to say, the results were huge. I bought Reddit just before earnings on Monday, and it looks like the stock is skyrocketing pre-market, up over 22%. I'll break down the key insights from this report and what it means for the stock price going forward. Stick around to the end because I'll share with you whether I'm buying more, taking profits, or holding on to my Reddit shares. As always, this is not financial advice and it's for entertainment purposes only. Let's kick things off with revenue. Reddit posted $348.4 million in revenue this quarter, which is a massive 68% year-over-year growth. That's huge. They're clearly scaling their business fast, and this growth is largely being driven by an increase in advertising revenue and international expansion. What I like here is that it's not just growth for the sake of growth. This is sustainable expansion. If it can keep this kind of momentum going, the stock is going higher in the long run. Now here's the real kicker, folks. Reddit is now GAAP profitable. For the first time since it IPO'd, Reddit reported a net income of $29.9 million. That's a big deal, especially when you consider it posted a $7.4 million net loss in the same quarter last year. GAAP profitability is a key milestone that a lot of institutional investors are looking for. Reddit achieving this is a major signal that it's turned the corner, and it's a sign of financial discipline and maturity. It's not just about growing at any cost anymore. The company is focused on being profitable while still expanding. Now let's talk about free cash flow, because this is just as important. Reddit generated $70.3 million in free cash flow this quarter, which is a massive improvement from the negative $11.6 million it had in Q3 last year. This is great news because free cash flow is what really powers a business in the long term. It gives them the flexibility to reinvest in growth, pay down debt, or even return capital to shareholders down the road. And for a tech company like Reddit, being cash flow positive is a huge sign of financial strength. Next, let's talk about user growth, because Reddit absolutely crushed it here. It hit an all-time high of 97.2 million daily active users, which is up 47% year over year. And that's not all. Weekly active users also grew to 365.4 million, a 53% increase. What I'm seeing here is that Reddit is not only expanding in the US, but they're also seeing huge growth internationally, which is up 44%. Plus, logged out users, people browsing without signing in, grew 70%, meaning they're pulling in more eyeballs than ever. Why does this matter for the stock? More users mean more opportunities to monetize through ads and data licensing. And with this level of growth, it's just scratching the surface of its full potential in terms of revenue generation. And finally, let's talk about gross margins. Reddit reported a 90.1% gross margin, which is up from 87.3% in Q3 2023. That's a solid improvement, and it shows that Reddit is getting more efficient with its operations. It's managing its costs well, which is critical as it continues to grow. Higher gross margins mean it can deliver more profit to the bottom line, and as it scales, these efficiencies will continue to improve. This kind of operational efficiency is exactly what you want to see in a company that's growing as fast as Reddit, because it means it has operational leverage, which is what a lot of institutional investors look for. Now let's get into technical analysis, because Reddit is looking seriously bullish. The stock has been trending up all year, and now it's really taking off. Right after the earnings report, Reddit broke out with a 22% surge in pre-market trading. This breakout is significant. The stock is now above key moving averages like the 10 and 30 week EMAs. And if we look at this long-term trend line here, it shows that the stock has been rallying all year. However, with this recent breakout, we can draw another one that supports an acceleration in the price growth. This means that this rally has just gone up another gear, and we could see even further upside in the coming months. This new trend line points to $120 being reached by the end of the year. Now that's not my prediction, it's just where the trend line points. Take from that what you will. And what's interesting here is that every shareholder is now in profit, which means the stock has minimal selling pressure. However, there's now bound to be more buying pressure from retail and institutional investors who may be experiencing some serious FOMO now that Reddit is showing profitability and strong growth. Plus, with a short float at just under 10%, there's a good chance that short sellers are scrambling to cover their positions. That could fuel further upside in the stock as the rally continues. So what does this all mean for Reddit stock? Well, first off, the fact that Reddit is now GAAP profitable and cash flow positive is going to draw a lot more attention from institutional investors. They're no longer just a high growth tech play, they're showing they can generate real profits and free cash flow, which makes the stock look more attractive. Secondly, the user growth is off the charts. With 97 million daily users and a 53% jump in weekly users, Reddit is well positioned to continue monetizing its platform, especially as it continues to scale its advertising and data licensing businesses. And with the technical breakout and potential for more upside, I wouldn't be surprised to see this stock continue to rally in the coming weeks. So all in all, I'm really bullish on Reddit, and for now I'm holding, but I will probably be buying any future dips. Reddit is hitting key milestones in profitability, cash flow, and user growth, and there's still a lot of room for this company to expand. That's it for today, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on stocks like Reddit. Thanks for watching.